What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing something new in the Smart Gym category, the AEKE Smart Home Gym K1. This is an all-in-one digital resistance machine that combines a large 43-inch touchscreen mirror, AI coaching, digital resistance, and a foldable design meant to fit in very small spaces. Now, over the past few months, I've been testing this machine in my home gym, going through several workouts and exploring the different features, resistance modes, and accessories that come with it. In this video, I'll break down everything, including the unboxing, build quality, AI features, workout options, resistance modes, safety features, and then finish with the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your home gym. Let's get started. The AEKE K1 arrived packaged on a crate with two boxes. The larger box contained the K1 Smart Gym itself, while the smaller box included the workout bench. The bench arrived packaged securely, with everything tightly wrapped and taped in place inside the box. The user manual provides clear and helpful guidance on how to properly unfold and use the bench, as well as how to maintain it over time. It also breaks down how to use the bench at different angles, at 0 degrees, 30 degrees, and above 30 degrees, to target various workouts effectively. The bench was well protected with plastic wrapping, and best of all, there was no assembly required. I simply unfolded the legs, and it was ready to go right out of the box. On the larger box, there are small plastic locking knobs to keep the outer cardboard cover intact. Once they're removed, the outer cardboard cover unwraps and opens around the box, giving access to the unit inside. The K1 and all the accessories are stored neatly, surrounded by dense styrofoam inserts to keep everything snug and protected during transport. As you can see, it's a bit of a process to remove all the items. The package comes with a variety of accessories. So you get a smart 8-electrode body composition scale. This tracks weight, muscle mass, and body fat percentage, syncing with the K1 system. The scale is made of a light plastic and feels a bit hollow in my hands. You also get circular buckles, which are made of aluminum alloy and quality nylon, smart handles, which are also made of aluminum alloy with rubber grips on both sides. They're also designed to swivel in your hands, which will reduce stress on your wrist during use. It's a nice touch. Ankle strap attachment for lower body exercises, power and charging cords, barbell unloader. Now this is a really nice feature that lets you instantly release resistance with a single tap. It's built with an aluminum alloy core and a rubber-coated button for durability. The heart rate armband. This is your wearable heart rate monitor. It tracks your heart rate in real time and helps guide your workout intensity, similar to a fitness band. Adjustable barbell. This is your main barbell for exercises like bench press, squats, shoulder press, and deadlifts. It's made from aluminum alloy and has knurling on the bar for extra grip during lifts. And a plastic magnetic camera cover for when you're not using the K1. Overall, this is a very complete package, especially when you consider the quality of the accessories. The K1 is designed to be compact, fully unfolded. It's 57.8 inches long, 27.3 inches wide, and 68.5 inches tall. For reference, I'm 6 foot tall, so you can get a good idea of the size and scale. Folded, it's 17.9 inches long, 27.4 inches wide, and 68.5 inches tall. It only takes up around 3.23 square feet, making it very compact for a full Smart Gym system. And the total weight is about 170 pounds, with most of it at the base for stability. The K1 frame feels very solid. It's made from aluminum alloy with a clean matte finish, rounded edges, and a light gray color. The base automatically opens when the system activates, but it does take some time to fully open. Now, this is intentional. It opens slowly to give you a time window to stop the machine if needed. I reached out to AEKE regarding any safety features during this opening and closing process, and they confirmed it does use a current detection system. If something blocks the movement and causes a spike in current, the machine will automatically stop. With that said, it's still important to use caution and keep the area around the base clear while it's opening. The cable connection system uses push-button attachment points similar to other smart gyms like the Speedian's Gym Monster 2. Now, one limitation, cables can only attach to the base of the machine, not the frame, reducing exercise angle options. The smart metal grips include a swivel mechanism on each side of the handle for smoother movement and reduces tension on your wrists. It also has a feature to activate or deactivate the weight resistance using the button located on each handle. The front of the K1 features a 43-inch 4K touchscreen mirror that lets you watch your form while you train. The mirror has a quick response when swiping and choosing workouts or just browsing its digital features. The bench is solid with a metal frame, durable vinyl covering, and a fold-out design with multiple angles for flat, incline, and shoulder presses. It has a total of 11 angles to adjust to, plenty to work with. The built-in camera supports AI functionality and also includes a magnetic cover for privacy when not in use. The K1's AI features are a solid highlight. You've got real-time form coaching here, which is pretty cool. It actually tracks 42 points on your body to help correct your form while you're working out. It also builds out customized workouts based on your goals, how long you want to train, and what you're focusing on that day. There's also a built-in fitness assessment too, so it's tracking things like your body composition, posture, strength, and flexibility over time. Now, one thing I really like is the games and gamified workouts. It adds a fun element, especially if you've got kids or just want to switch things up. There were a couple of games that kept me and my kids going for almost an hour to try and beat our all-time high score. It's pretty cool. And finally, you can set up multiple user profiles, so everyone in the household can have their own personalized experience without having to add any subscriptions. It supports over 300 exercises and 200 guided workouts. And the best part? All of this is free for life, including future updates. This is a major advantage over the competition. The maximum resistance is 220 pounds using the crossbar and 110 pounds per handle. You're able to adjust the resistance in 1 pound increments. Now note that the system requires the weight resistance to be deactivated before making any adjustments. This means you can't change the resistance on the fly during a workout, which is pretty standard for most smart home gym systems. The K1 is powered by a 750 watt motor, providing more than enough power for a smooth, responsive digital resistance. There are 5 different resistance modes to choose from, starting with the constant mode, which provides steady resistance throughout the entire range of motion, similar to free weights. This creates a natural lifting experience and allows users to maintain consistent tension during both the lifting and lowering phases of an exercise. For the concentric mode, resistance increases during the lifting phase of the movement, requiring greater effort as the weight is raised. This mode is designed to maximize muscle engagement during the concentric portion of the exercise while reducing resistance on the return, helping users focus on strength and power development. The eccentric mode, resistance increases during the lowering phase of the movement, placing greater load on the muscles as they stretch under tension. This mode improves strength, control, and muscle growth by emphasizing the eccentric portion of the exercise, which is often associated with greater muscle adaptation. For the rowing, you get a smooth drag mimicking water resistance for endurance and cardio. For the elastic mode, it simulates the feel of resistance bands by gradually increasing tension throughout the range of motion. As the movement progresses, the resistance becomes greater, helping to improve strength, stability, and control. Now I want to point out a couple of safety features for peace of mind when you're working out on your own. The auto release feature. It automatically reduces resistance if you can't complete a rep, helping you safely finish the movement and lower the risk of injury or getting stuck under a load. You also get a few instant release buttons. One's located on each of the hand grips, and the other on the barbell unloader attachment for quick unloading when working out with bar. Alright, here's a few exercise examples I tried while testing the machine. I attempted to cover most of the major movement patterns and muscle groups. Notice how stable and smooth the machine looks throughout each rep. With consistent resistance and fluid motion, it helps maintain control and proper form. So you can find the AEKE K1 through the AEKE website or on Amazon. It's available in 3 packages starting at $3,400 without the bench, $3,500 with the standard bench, and $3,600 with the adjustable bench. And I'll put links in the description so you can check current discounts, promotions, and pricing. Alright, let's touch on some of the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. It has a compact foldable design, a 43-inch 4K touchscreen mirror, a pair of metal smart grips that swivel with instant resistance activation buttons, 220-pound digital resistance with 1-pound increments, no subscription required, ever, a large library of exercises and guided programs, and multiple user profiles with body composition tracking. Alright, for the cons. The mirror glass is not shatterproof, so be cautious when working out. There is no defined obstruction detection for the automatic base. We have limited cable positioning, so basically only attaches to the base of the machine, and requires power supply, which limits portability compared to free weights. Overall, I think the AEKE Smart Home Gym K1 adds value to the smart home gym market. Its compact, foldable design makes it a great option for anyone wanting a full workout system without the space of traditional equipment. I especially like the mirror display, the smart metal grips, and precise resistance adjustments. What sets this system apart is the AI functionality. You can create fully customized workouts tailored to your goals, get real-time form corrections through the built-in camera, and enjoy gamified workouts that make exercising more engaging and fun. Now, at the same time, there are safety considerations, specifically with the mirror glass and automatic opening base. So if you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one smart gym that combines guided workouts, AI coaching, custom programs, and interactive games, all in a compact footprint, the AEKE K1 is definitely worth considering. As always, drop any questions you have in the comments. I always appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming home gym equipment reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.